Have you ever wanted to spice your birthday party up a little more, but didn't know how? That's why us here at Ready Set Viral are going to give you some amazing birthday DIYs. Let's head into it. Number 1, confetti balloons. This one requires some balloons, an air pump, and some confetti. You can either make your own or buy some from the store. All you need to do is place some confetti into the balloon and blow it up. Once it's all done and tied up, you can pop the balloon and you will have a confetti party. Number 2, number decorations. For this one, you're going to need some streamer squares. First, fold it all up like so and staple it in the middle. Then, cut off the edges in a raggedy fashion. Then unfold it and unfold all of the flaps as well. You'll get these little streamer balls. Then, get a cardboard cutout of whatever number you're turning. For this one, it's number 1, and glue them to that. Once you're done, you'll have an amazing number decoration. Number 3, cute apple decorations. First, get a balloon and blow it up just a small amount. Tie it off, and then get a button and press it where it's tied off. Through the other side of the balloon, grab the button, twist it around, and tie it off with a small elastic. Then, get a balloon animal balloon and tie it around the button on the other side. Cut off the excess, and get a piece of balloon cut in the shape of a leaf and glue that on as well. You'll have these perfect apple decorations. Number 4, party food table decorations. For this one, you're first going to need to get these items: a couple jars, a small plate, some decorative shells, some spray paint, and a stand as well as some super glue. You're first going to get the plate, the stand, the shell, and the lid of the jar. Super glue the shell to the top of the lid and then spray paint everything the color of your choosing. Then, you can also super glue the other jar onto the stand and super glue the jar onto the plate as well. You'll have some perfect party decorations. Number 5, DIY chip and dip plate. For this one, get a plate and some saran wrap. Place the saran wrap all over the top of the plate, and then get your favorite dips and place them in the middle of the plate. Then, get the chip of your choosing and place it along the rim of the plate. That way, you and your friends can share your favorite dips and chips on an amazing plate. Number 6, DIY lights for your party. For this one, you're going to get a string of LED fairy lights and some ping pong balls. First, get each ping pong ball and make a small hole inside of it. You can use any tool you'd like for this. Then, place each of the lights into the hole that you just made, and once you're done, it'll be more colorful than you could ever imagine. Anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now, stay tuned for all of our next content.